A fire at the KG6 Army headquarters, now Josiah Magama Tongogara Barracks, early Sunday, has ignited fears of sabotage linked to Zimbabwe's controversial election rigging machinery. Salavena mashoko anobuda nyoro panapa pamusoro ayo pekutsva kunoitwa the ZNA barracks subscribe like on the bell icon. Tipina munomubuda muchinzi. The blaze, confirmed by Colonel Afios Makotori, Director of Army Public Relations, broke out at around 2:50 a.m., damaging several offices. We regret to inform the public that the fire is breaking out at the Army Headquarters Administrative Complex, resulting in damage to some offices, Colonel Makotori said in a statement. However, insiders allege the fire may have been deliberate, with suspicions pointing to disgruntled personnel with the army. The barracks are notorious for their role in election manipulation, with the sources revealing that passports, IDs, and ballot papers are secretly printed and administered there by senior army officials closely tied to ZANU-PF's election rigging apparatus. The fire could have been an inside job by individuals fed up with the regime, one source speculated. The incident has triggered a witch hunt, with middle-ranked officers reportedly under investigation for possible involvement in the S1 attack. The development has further exposed the military's profoundly entrenched role in securing ZANU-PF's grip on power through clandestine operations at KG6. For years, ZANU-PF's election have been made by allegations of military interference, voter suppression, and rigging. Tomashoko anobuda panapa chiona kuti kuchokwata baraki iri kwakutoexpose nekupfumura aiwa zvinoitika paKG6 apo anoonekwa kunzi aiwa ndo panobekwa maelection results, ndo panenge achimedhilerwa. Tidze mafungiro enyu muchinzwa kuti aiwa vakomana mauto panzvimbo iyi vari kususpektwa vanenge vajamuka. Tidze mafungiro enyu pina comment section yedu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.